Well, folks, we're starting to glue up now. I just wanted to show you how this process goes. And I'm going to spread this glue out with my little glue brush. There's really not much to this except for the clamping part. You want to make sure you get plenty of glue on here. I use Gorilla wood glue, and it is waterproof. Now, most guys that do this use Titebond. I just use what I've been using for years, so that's basically all there is to it. Okay, now you want to spread the glue on both sides. Put a good liberal amount on there. Don't, whatever squeezes out will take off anyway. Make sure you get your coverage on there, every little bit of it. It's going, got way too much down here. I need some of it down here. Anytime you're using this wood glue, just realize it's going to slide on you when you, that's why I have these two locator pins. It's hard for you to see them, but, and got to get them set. Just so I can get it put on there in the right manner. I've got cork on this. Clamping coil here. And it will do a great job. Okay, make sure you got glue squeezed out everywhere, and I do. Put another coil on. Make sure everything's still lined up. where I can move it around. So it's not stationary here on the table. Looking really good. One more clamp. Oh yeah. That's the best clamping job I've ever done. Just got a paper towel with some water on it. And I want to get this turned around here to where I can get at this excess glue. I don't know if you can see that, but I believe you can. Right there it is. A lot of excess we got to get off. So still tight, it just moves sideways. I got blue painter's tape on this collar right here, this piece of wood that I'm using. Some of this glue has spread up there on the fingerboard a little bit. It just can't be helped. If I'd have done it differently, it might have stayed away from there, but it is what it is. There, see, I learned my lesson already. I learned what not to do. But that clamp system right there worked really good. That's perfect. Those of you that have done this sort of thing, glued up stuff, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, we're looking really good. Well, today is Halloweeny. Okay, I've got a slight problem here. I need to put a wedge right here. And that'll get me more squeeze out right there. And I think I'm going to have to put one right here. And I really need one more. That worked. Piece of plastic. And I can't forget to get this glue off of the very front up here where the nut will be placed. Oh boy. That's about the best I'm going to do there. I need to get some more of this off of the I don't know if you can see it, but some of that glue squoze out and went down right here. It's on the frets, and that's not too good, so I got to get that off of there. But these clamps are not coming off until it's ready to dry. So I'll just have to deal with it. If it just stays there on that metal, it won't hurt nothing. That's about where we're at right now. Oh yeah, it looks good now. Okay, folks, when this clamps dry up, or the glue dries, I'll bring you back and show you how it looks.